Welcome to section 4 of Basics of Human Face.
Let's learn how to draw the nose. This is a basic nose where these are the eyebrows, and you want to draw something like this. It's very easy. We'll break this into simple pieces and let you know how to draw. First, we'll focus on the part of the nose. As you can see here, this is obviously the tip of the nose, and this thing which is right above between two eyebrows is the root of the nose. What else do we have in the nose? The bridge and the nostrils, which is a passage for the airway. And finally, let's not forget these projections, which are called as wings. How do we do this? Now, let's begin with the basics. All you need to do is two points must be chosen at first point. Choose 2 points, call it A, B, or whatever. Draw parallel lines, and once you're there, at the end, draw a circle. After this, draw two circles on the either side. Make sure these two circles are of the same size. And here, draw a triangle. So these are the simple figures which we are going to use in this sketch. Now let's start with the alteration of this thing. Erase these lines. Erase this line and even this line and above one. Looks similar to nose, right? We have to make few alterations now. Start with this point, trace it, and at this tip wherein two circles meet, just join this and erase the upper part. Similarly, join this to erase the upper part. As you can see, we have done it. Now highlight the nostrils. And erase the junction of the parallel line with the wings, and same with the junction of the root with the bridge. There we are. That's how you roughly draw the nose. You wanna do a bit more difficult one, I know. So you can see the organs on the face like eyes, which are lying flat on the face. The lip, which is also lying flat on the face. These are not elevated. So the eyes aren't elevated, the lips aren't elevated. They lie flat on the surface of the face. The only part which is elevated is nose. So when you look at it from the side angle, you can see that this all lie in the same plane, whereas nose doesn't. There is an elevation this part of the nose. So let's learn how to draw the nose from this sideways. Erase this off. How does the nose look from the sideways? It's as simple. First, to draw a nose from the sideways, make sure you get a plane properly. Draw a straight line. This serves as this plane. Now, on this flat surface, your nose has to rest from the sideways. Nose looks like triangle, but not in everyone. Few people have round shape nose and few people have sharp nose, and there is another category, feminine nose. So we'll just focus on a normal, not exactly a sharp kind of nose, but somewhat similar to this, something like that. Once you get the triangle which is resting on this plane, draw a circle here within the triangle. Draw a circle within the triangle. Erase the extra parts or remnant of the triangle. And once you are there, draw another circle and join. As you can see, I just did a circle and joined the two circles with an arch. Erase the remaining parts. Erase the boundary. And this depression serves as the nostril. As you can see, this is the nostril. Start the upper lip here and the lower lip, and there you are. Perfect nose from the sideways, but still something's missing. Yeah, the root part is not clear here. So all we need to do here is draw a U shape which connects this from this. Erase the invert, and there you are. This depression is very necessary, and that's how you draw nose from the sideways, wherein you cover the nostrils, the bridge, the tip of the nose, the wings, and the root. And that's all. Please like and subscribe my channel and leave a comment below in the comment section.